What's going on, guys? Aaron here, back at it again. Alright, so here's the deal. Xeos doesn't know that I'm gonna post a video today. And why is it lagging? Why is the game lagging? I just figured I'd play a game. This game, Soul Knight. It's where the guy shoots some bullets, big bullets, epic bullets, some bullets. Oh, not bullets. That's what you call bullets. Give me. Back it up. Back it up. It's called speed. I got a need for speed. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's the hedgehog. It's the hedgehog. Let me turn on the sound music. It's not loud. Not loud. It's not loud. Now it's loud. Doggy. 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 You're not making it easy for me to record. Not making it easy for me to record. This guy. This guy. Why though? Just why? Doggy. Want some food? Do you want food? Oh, we're gonna beat this. Ready to beat this? Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. Ready as I'll ever be. Bioweapon. I don't need that. Dodge. That's how you dodge. Can you stop barking? Oopsie. Die. Oops, looks like I'm dead. Okay, that's the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys. Woof!